Football fans storm AMFA office over league chaos. Protest not to politicize sports. Speaker Y. Khemchan lays foundation stone for construction of Imam Market at an estimated project cost of 3 crore and 91 lakh rupees in Singjamei today. Manipur People's Party condemns Chief Minister's controversial statement at Madhavpur Fair in Gujarat. And the 4 aided college teachers associations condemned the government for leaving behind 4 government-aided colleges for verification. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joy Srivusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Football fans of the state stormed the office of All Manipur Football Association, AMFA, today in demand for resolution to the issue withholding the oldest football tournament of the Northeast, CC Meet and Manipur State League. Members of Football Lovers Manipur stormed the office. However, the office was closed and there were no officials at the time. The protesters chanted slogans demanding the officials of AMFA to resign and not to play petty politics in sports. Meanwhile, a team of police personnel rushed to the spot and halted the protest. Speaking to media persons, co-convener of Football Lovers Manipur, Suresh Saugaijam, stated that the fate of football in the state, which is considered as the powerhouse of sports, is indeterminate and condemned the silence of AMFA on the matter. Suresh maintains that the issue is the root cause of the failure of Manipur in the Santosh Trophy and other national-level football tournaments. He expressed a suspicion that AMFA is playing politics and questioned how the players are selected to represent Manipur and demanded AMFA to resolve the issue at the earliest. He further warned of resorting to various forms of agitations. It may be mentioned that the State League was put on hold since November last year on account of a controversy, and the CC Meet of the current year has not been commenced yet. A case is underway regarding the matter in the High Court of Manipur.
Lotion Mangam than a later Manipur State Lake, Kadi Fum the Lake, have those Hoi, House Power Kemda Hagidaba, Sissimit Tawani Hana Pantokani Hana Silamaga, House Power Kemta Samnagidaba, Santoro Piamasung, Dr. Tio, Lotion give us sing a sida. Players sing Swam Tina, Porak Libasa, Madam Karigino, Amfana, players sing a Sikaramba Monda, players sing a selection to Bibono. Politics ki khut yaurabra haibagi yamna ching acho watching na ba malerak ba asoi ba singa si government na kariguma sida action lokhalak ta batara gadi agitation sangsalakani.
Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Khemchan has laid the foundation stone for the construction of Imam Market at an estimated project cost of 3 crore and 91 lakh rupees in Singjamei today. The soon-to-be constructed 4,560 square feet wide double-story market shed will have capacity to accommodate 191 vendors, including 103 on the ground floor and 88 on the first floor. The market shed will have marble floors, electric lightings, fans and toilet facilities for both men and women. Speaking on the occasion, Speaker and MLA of Singjamei constituency Y. Khemchan stated that Kwaramban, Imam Market and Singjamei Market are of paramount importance in the history of Manipur. He said the previous government sanctioned orders to broaden the roads by demolishing the markets. Khemchan opined that it would be prudent to construct the market, which has such historical significance and contributions in the state's economy. He hoped that contractors and engineers concerned will put all-out efforts to complete the construction as soon as possible. Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation L. Lokeshwar and engineers of PDA were among those present at the event.
Mamangi Sarkar ki peretta Kaitin si Thugairaga Labi Paktok Kiba Traffic Island Onba Madugi sanction Yaurame sanction order lerami lamdi paktok badai jo harau lo ida badina te ado singjamai kaitel koraman kaitel isi itias ka sago na raba masi heritage ni lambi paktok badai hena lubri lamdam sigi leramba shatmilon ga mari lenana leramba kaitel du thambana hena maru loe na khajar kanda PDA gi staff singla officer singla so initiative lo birakanda thana ba ware blaki
Southeast Asia Cultural Organization (SIACO) in a press release condemned the controversial statement of Chief Minister Biren at Madhavpur Fair in Gujarat that said Manipur and the whole of the northeast region has been a part of India since the time of Lord Krishna as baseless. SIACO warns that the state cannot be converted into a Hindu land and not to spread false rumors about the state. Criticism on the Chief Minister's statement that Manipur has been part of India since Lord Krishna's time keeps flooding in from all quarters. It may be mentioned that student unions and different civil society organizations have been condemning the Chief Minister's statement made during a culture fair at Madhavpur in Porbandar district of Gujarat. Manipur People's Party MPP also demanded the Chief Minister to clarify to the public for his irresponsible and unreasonable statement. Speaking to media persons at the MPP's office, President of the party, Oinam Jugindro, maintained that it is high time Chief Minister Biren understands and digs the history of Manipur. He said that it should not be forgotten that Manipur was an independent state for 3,423 years and had its own history before Manipur merged with the Indian Union in 1949. Jugindro maintains that MPP strongly condemned the Chief Minister's efforts of making Manipur a Hindu land and displaying photo of Pandit Din Dayal on the memorial observance of freedom fighters of the state. He warns that MPP will launch strong agitations if the Chief Minister does not clarify his statement that hurt the sentiment of the people of the state.
Northeastern region है मसी तो खाइना भारत तक यारंबनी लेरंबनी अदुबो हौजी भारत ता अखोई की भारत के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की मनुंग द फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर मोर मिना मदु यॉक्शन ब तारगसु अखोई तोंगान ब नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन की तोंगान ब मदु की असेंग ब लई मदु दी रविनाथ टेगोर ने ईबा नेशनल एथेम दा अखोई नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन है असई पंडबनी इवन ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर है मसी बो अखोई पंदे असुमना अखोना थमनिंगी मदुदी Chief Minister na siumba yumpham yogdu wafum krangang pase masi lali loinana mak masamana Manipur prajada aina hairiba statement se masi Gujarat ta ina lokthokru report se masi aran bani haina masana lokthokadabani madu lokthokta taragadi MPP na tongan ba khongjung chang chelakani hai wafam si koi ngasi press media amsung electronic media ampham thamjari.
For Aided College Teachers Association lauded the state cabinet's decision to upgrade 6 government-aided colleges into full-fledged government college yesterday, but condemned leaving behind 4 other government-aided colleges for verification. Addressing media persons at Mange Makong of Bamo Lekai today, the 4 associations mentioned that the 4 colleges demanding to be upgraded as full-fledged government colleges are SK Women's College of Nambol, Waikom Mani Girls College of Thoubal, South East Manipur College of Komlathabi and More College of More. The association demanded upgrading the 4 colleges, especially the 2 women's colleges, in promotion of central government scheme Beti Bachao Beti Parao. They lamented that 2 hill-based colleges were left behind, opposing the state government's slogan of Go to Hills. They asserted that the colleges, excluding More College, were given NAAC accreditation, and SK Women's College has attained the first state A-graded college. They maintain that Southeast Manipur College of Komlathabi is the first government-aided college among the Hills districts colleges. The associations also mentioned that establishment and time of affiliation of the 4 remaining colleges were same as those of the other 6 upgraded colleges.
Honorable CM na go to hill haipa adumba sloan kayam laudana sing the chatana singi fan kayam thadana mayam tawre handa college edit college torpusidi singi amta yawi da base masi akoi singi college sing haibadi More college amadi semko ani si nathai biram basi akoi yamna benjati Manipur government BJP government na hairipa nupi college ani amadi singi college ani se sisu moi taruk ama lokshin ki base siga chap manana atuba matamda lokshin biyo hana हाइरिबा कॉलेज मरी सिगी अखोई ओजा सिंह की एसोसिएशन सिना हनना अखोई गवर्नमेंट सिदा अखोई रिक्वेस्ट तौजरी करिगुंबा अखोइना रिक्वेस्ट तौजबसिदा याबिदना तौबिद्रबा नाथाई बिग्रबा अदुइदादी कॉलेज मरी सिगी ओजा सिंह असिना मखल मखा क्यागी अदुम एजिटेशन क्या अखोई संगिननबा अखोई सेम सादुना अखोई लेजरे
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, appreciated the decision of the government to turn 6 aided colleges of the state into government colleges during a cabinet meeting yesterday. Speaking to media persons at its office in Sagolban, Vice President Namairakpam Edison said student unions, including DESAM and teachers of the colleges, have been urging the government to upgrade the colleges into full-fledged government colleges. He expressed hope that the upgradation of the colleges will help in bringing big change in education in the state. Edison also drew the attention of the government to include Waikom Mani Girls College as Kula Women's College, More College on Indo-Myanmar border and South East Manipur College in Komlathabi in the upgradation. On the other hand, discussion to elect new office bearers of DESAM, Kakching District Council and on ways to improve schools in the district were also discussed. Federation of Government College Teachers Association in a press release appreciated the state cabinet's decision of upgrading 6 government colleges into full-fledged colleges. The press release further appeals to the Chief Minister and Education Minister to fulfill their assurances of granting the allowances of SCA and TA to the government college teachers and to implement the 7th Pay Commission at the earliest. JCLPS Women Wing has caught 5 non-Manipuris from Bihar who were selling commodities above Naga Nala of Kweramban market. The 5 individuals have been residing in the state since the last 10 years as cobblers and street vendors. One amongst the 5 claims to be a student, however, fails to provide any identification proof. Addressing media persons on the sidelines at JCLPS office in Kashampat, convener of JCLPS Women Wing S. Memcha Lema stated that JCLPS Women Wing conducted the drive as part of the movement initiated by JCLPS to stop the influx of non-locals in the state. Aadhaar cards of 4 individuals reveals that they belong to Bihar. Memcha condemned the act of police imposing fines on women street vendors in the area in the name of establishing a smart city while they ignored such non-locals for the same. She demanded the government to look into the matter and pass a bill approved by both hills and valley inhabitants to save the indigenous inhabitants of the state.
Pofam phambi sing mayam sina phambada akhoi police na kaukhai khokai ba phabi punbi ba amadi moije kaukhalaga akhoi fine ba wathen ba aduma mayam ama tawra ingai cherek asida nan manipuri sing sina leiriba phibam sidi moina yu udaba moina leiriba si akhoi sarkar gi khud yawi haina khali koina hujik pamjari badi hariba moina phammi ba tawriba khudimak si chum no magi hanjalaktana nupi marakta moi nupa amani yanjalaga phamba haibisi akoina madu pamjate sarkar sina su mase miyeng changmam thoi nagana la.
North East India Development Party NEIDP has inaugurated its state unit office at Terasapamlayar today. A public meeting in connection with the inaugural attended by leaders of the party from the state and other northeastern states was also held at Terasapamlayar Pukri Achauba Mapal. Speaking on the sidelines, Vice President of NEIDP Narengbam Bishorjit stated that NEIDP conceived from the state is now being empowered with the opening of its offices in the northeastern states. He said the party was established with a political will following the Gandhian philosophy to bring innovative changes in the northeastern states of the country. He said 13 NEIDP candidates were fielded for the first time during the 11th Manipur Assembly elections and managed to secure 50,000 votes. Bishorjit said love and support extended by people to the party has strengthened the party and expedited the pace towards the party's endeavors.
Northeast India Development Party na miyam khusham naraga aikoi na satha janinge badi aikoi lamdam masida lairiba aikoi gi praja sing ase moi khoi kari gi damakta aikoi ga tawya ba kari lairi gi haibase aikoi ni yengjaraga aikoi na packet ka doriba aikoi gi 14 point program sing khoi mamang na phongje khibaduni madugi program sing adugi makhada aikoi na lepa leitana aikoi chok thabana idana miyam gi damakta
The annual ritual ceremony of Kwangjeng Laremba Larembi, located at Imphal West Superintendent of Police Office Complex, was held today. Wife of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, Nongthombam Hiainu, top police officials, personnel, and large number of people from different parts of the state offered prayers at the ritual of the mighty deities. Women vendors of Kweramban Imar Market and battalions of Manipur Police, IRB, MR offered fruits and vegetables to the deities at a ceremony organized by Imphal West Superintendent of Police. The ritual commenced at 7 this morning.
Kangjeng Lion by Sim from Sikak to Sunate, the department could imagine in a Kangjeng Lion, but a rank of man, rain corporate away. Nasino Missida Magi, Sahi Magi Kumza, Kumun Haitare, Mapam Siona. I don't atopa, Reshanking the Su Kangjeng Lion, but lay Magano Amaga Magasu, Manade, Qua, Adobo, my Wakalwandi, Laipak Sida, Asumba. Aibado Masakanga Wayen Kati Tadana, Asumba, Laipak Sigi, Inga Tapna, Kunaizi Miwe, Singsi, Asumba, Masakanga, Asumba, Wayen Biraknaba, I Anaibana, Matai, Arubuna, Maya, the Sangak Nabagi, Adugambagi, Lai, Haitare, Aduna, Adugit, and the Wingasi Pangjaris.
Mapi Council in a press release said that Mapi Council, in collaboration with the Veterinary Office in Imphal East, organized a one-day farmers training program at the conference hall of the council today. Around 30 farmers were trained by officials of veterinary department on better animal husbandry. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 6th edition of Ugri Fest 2018 that kicked off at NIT campus in Langol today. Watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 6th edition of Ugri Fest 2018 kicked off at the National Institute of Technology NIT campus in Langol today. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar inaugurated the 4-day eventful festival organized by NIT. Addressing the gathering, Joykumar said pure science subjects such as physics, chemistry and biology should not be neglected, and students should give equal emphasis on these subjects and should be in parallel with technical studies. He also stated that humans need mental satisfaction more than material satisfaction and maintains that the event would be able to give such mental satisfaction. He lamented that students these days are behind in research works and further encouraged them to take more research works. He asserted that the country's prosperity depends on the advancement in research works. It may be mentioned that the first edition of Ugri Fest was held in 2013. The fest caters exclusively various cultural events and extracurricular activities. This year, a solo singing competition will be added to the range of events. It may be recalled that a social service and a blood donation camp were held on March 23 and 27 respectively ahead of the fest.
My dear students, I would like to suggest, and what I want to tell you is that don't be just satisfied with what you have been taught. Extrapolate, go beyond that, and you see what questions you can ask, what other things you can think about. That is where the beauty and the interest you will get in learning, in pursuing your study. In terms of even if it is technical education, if you have these sort of things, you will not find your study dull. You will always find it is interesting, and you will look forward and be ever eager to learn.
The 3rd Manipur International Documentary, Short and Animation Film Festival 2018, jointly organized by the Film Division of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Manipur State Film Development Society, began at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society in Palace Compound today. Altogether, 14 films are part of the festival, including international awardee Haubam Pavan Kumar's documentary film Phumsang and Bobo Khuraijam's Ima Sabitri. The festival will continue till March 31st. Renowned filmmakers Aribam Shyam, Janu Barua from Assam, cinematographer Ranjan Palit and filmmaker Arjun Gaurisaria attended the event. Film Forum Manipur, in a press release, stated that 2 film stockists, namely Silky Video and Som Video, are blacklisted for releasing films in the film market before being rechecked by the forum. Center for Youth and Cultural Activities Khurai Puthiba Lekhai's annual productions play Rukmani Krishna was showcased at an event organized by the center at Lainingthau Puthiba Shanglen last evening. Speaking on the sidelines, Sangeet Natak National Awardee W. Lokendrajit stated that the play, adapted from Bhagavad Gita, was showcased with an intention to instill moral values to the present generation. Many dance and drama enthusiasts attended the event. National Joint General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party, Shiv Prakash, visited Thoubal district and discussed measures to strengthen the party in the district with the representatives of the district mandal. Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Salam Joy, Secretary P. Premananda and President of Mahila Morcha, K. Naubi, attended the meeting held at the office of BJP Thoubal district mandal this afternoon. BJP Thoubal Mandal has also organized a one-day political training program as part of the months-long nationwide Rashtriya Parikshan Abhiyan at Thoubal Laitanthem Mandap today. Spokesperson at the program highlighted the achievements and various schemes initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government and urged the BJP workers to aware the public on the same. The BJP workers reiterated to work for the welfare of the public. District Health Society Thoubal organized the annual meet of the society's ASHA workers at the multipurpose hall at Wangbal in Thoubal district today. Speaking on the occasion, SDO Thoubal Dr. M. Vito stated that ASHA workers are important health activists and play a significant role in maintaining a healthy society, and called on the need to acknowledge and appreciate their selfless contributions. Speaking on the occasion, CMO Thoubal Dr. N. Jayanta Kumar maintains that the government has admitted that the honorariums paid to ASHA workers are not proportional to their contributions. He said the government is seeking ways for their welfare. Diligent ASHA workers of Thoubal district were also felicitated on the occasion. MLA Sagolban constituency, RK Imo inaugurated the first authorized showroom of textiles brand Bombay Dyeing at Yai School Police Lane, Imphal around 10 this morning. Bed sheets, blankets, towels, pillow covers and different types of mats will be available at the showroom. A packaged drinking water industry called Laija Ishing was inaugurated at Wangjing, Sorokai, Bamlekai, Thoubal district today. MLA Nungba constituency, Gaikhangam advocated for conservation of water before the advent of water crisis. He also espoused for timely preservation of floras and faunas before extinction. MLA Wangjing Tengtha Paunam Brojen lauded the establishment of the industry, which will not only supply water to the public but also provide employment opportunity. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah extended her heartiest greetings, especially to Christians in the state, on this sacred occasion of Good Friday. The governor, in her message, said the sacred occasion reminds us of the compassion and supreme sacrifice of Jesus Christ for all sins of mankind. She urged the people of the state to keep in mind Jesus' message of love, forgiveness, truth, and renunciation of violence. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren has also greeted the people on the occasion of Good Friday. In his message, Chief Minister Biren said, "The occasion of Good Friday reminds us of the supreme sacrifices of Jesus Christ to save mankind from sins." He called for unity and love from all community on the occasion. Governor of Manipur, in a press release, has declared March 30 as full working day for all government offices and financial institutions in Manipur to avoid the anticipated rush for passing of bills at the end of financial year 2017-18. All head of departments, treasury, sub-treasury offices, officials and bank employees are directed to attend office. Mahavir Jayanti, which is considered to be the most important festival for Jains, was celebrated in Imphal, marking the 2617th birth anniversary of Lord Mahavir, the 24th and the last Tirthankara today. Jain community residing in Imphal held a religious rally carrying the statue of Mahavir and passed through Thangal and Pauna Bazar. Devotees waiting by the roadsides gave their offerings and prayed on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, member of Executive Committee Jain Vikas Mandal Imphal, Pramod Kumar, reflected the teachings of Mahavir on non-violence and coexistence and further appeals to the people of Manipur for peaceful and harmonious coexistence.
भगवान महावीर की लिसिंगनी चतुर्क त्रात्रे सुबह मपक कुमन मत पालन तौरी भगवान महावीर ना मैं आमदा संदेश पीरी से हिंग से अमसुंग हिमिने से अमसुंग अहिंसा की लमदा चत से नसी की जुगसिदा अखोइना मी अमा से मी अमा नुसीबा अमदा अहिंसा की दा चतपा से भगवान महावीर का पाम मने श्री दिगंबर जैन समाज इम्फाल नसु मैं आमदा अदो लेरिबा मणिपुर की प्रजा सिंगदा अखोइ मैं आमसे हिंसे अमसुंग हिमने से अदो नुसी चानन लेमिने से हाइसिनी.
Popular Front of India, in a press release, has notified that distribution of scholarship for minority students for the year 2017-18 will be held at Hotel Imphal North AOC on April 8 at 11 a.m. All India Tanzim-e-Insaf, in a press release, said the organization will support in all movements demanding minority rights in the country. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Football fans storm Ampha office over league chaos, protest not to politicize sports. Speaker Y. Kemchan lays foundation stone for construction of Imam Market at an estimated project cost of 3 crore and 91 lakh rupees in Singjamai today. Manipur People's Party condemns Chief Minister's controversial statement at Madhavpur Fair in Gujarat. And the 4 aided college teachers associations condemn the government for leaving behind 4 government aided colleges for verification.